Today we're going to draw and color a super cute glittery seashell. So grab your marker and let's have some fun!
Welcome to tinyhandsart.
First, I draw the outer shape of the seashell. Now, let's draw the oracle at the bottom. For fun, I'm adding some cute eyes and a smiley mouth. Next, I draw the ribs and some details at the front. Wow! Our drawing is complete! Now it's time to add some color. Let's do it! First, I pick silver to color the pupils. Then, I use black for the irises. Now I choose red for the mouth and the ribs on both sides. After that, I pick golden and color the middle part of the body. Then I add purple next to both sides of the red. Next, I use green on both sides of the golden ribs. And finally, I pick pink to color the oracle. Yay! Our colorful glittery seashell is all done. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more fun drawings. See you next time. Bye-bye.